Welcome to another TRC Power Spotlight. In this latest edition, we are featuring a 50-watt encapsulated AC/DC power supply with screw terminal connections, and it's manufactured by our partner TRACO Power. So let's power up with this 50-watt version of the TMPW series by TRACO Power. We're going to show you the amazing features and benefits that this power supply has to offer. I'm introducing the TMPW 50T series. It's compact and it's a lightweight encapsulated power supply. This power supply was designed to support demanded requirements of industrial applications for household and building technologies, as well as IT equipment-based applications. The TMPW 50T supports a wide operating input voltage range from 90 all the way to 305 volts AC, and it converts to single DC output voltages, and the models that are available for this version are 12, 15, and 24 volts DC. It's an ideal solution for your compact-spaced 50-watt industrial application needs. Now, the operating temperature range shown here is -40 to +70 degrees Celsius. Now, derating begins at +50 degrees Celsius, and we're illustrating it here in a derating curve. The compact and narrow form factor allows you to easily install this power supply in your tight spaces. Let's take a look at the mechanical dimensions, and we're showing them right here. I want to walk through a few of the features of this power supply. You have no load power consumption less than 0.1 watts, operation up to 5,000 meters altitude, and an input-output isolation of 4,000 volts AC. This TMPW 50T also includes a 3 years manufacturer's warranty. It reinforces TRACO Power's commitment to power supply quality. These power supplies also provide continuous short circuit and overvoltage protection to protect not only the power supply, but your system from abnormal conditions. The TMPW 50T is also certified and complies with UL/IEC EN 62368-1 and EN IEC 60335-1 to support a wide range of the latest industrial and household appliance applications. The TMPW 50T power supply also includes an internal filter. It's an EN 55032 Class B filter, which is going to save you valuable board space because you will not need an external filter circuit. In addition, this unit is Class Roman numeral II protected with additional reinforced insulation and spacings to the power supply construction. This provides protection from electrical shock. Even more, for added safety, this unit includes overvoltage category 2. This is especially important for equipment intended to be wired permanently or plugged into building wiring. For the ultimate in a compact encapsulated power supply with screw terminals and the assurance of the reliability that TRACO Power is known for, look no further. The TMPW 50T is sure to be the ideal solution for your next 50-watt project. If you are interested in designing this into your system today, contact TRC and we'll get you a free sample and make sure you select the right model. Then you can take that sample and test it in your project. Now, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. You can call our office. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you on the next TRC Power Spotlight.